Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. JoyTutus Rearview Mirror, Universal 11.81-inch Panoramic Convex Rearview Mirror, Interior Clip-on Wide-Angle Rearview Mirror to reduce blind spot effectively for car SUV trucks, blue. Wider VIEW, this convex rearview mirror provides you with a wider angle view and perfect vision. 1. Blue rearview mirrors can reduce the glare of the high beams of vehicles coming from behind and improve nighttime driving safety. Universal, the car clip-on design fits universal vehicles, like a car, SUV, CRV, vans, and truck. Note, to confirm that this rearview mirror fits your car, please confirm the size before purchasing. The rearview mirror measures 11.8 inches x 3.1 inches, can be extended up to 3.8 inches. HIGH quality, interior rearview mirror is made of high-quality and high-definition glass, providing you perfect visibility and clear and real images. EASY to install, you only need the aids to complete the installation. Just buckle the adjustable clip on the back of the mirror to the bottom of the original mirror and adjust the angle. Note not to press too hard on the mirror. Wider VIEW, this convex rearview mirror provides you with a wider angle view and perfect vision. 1. Blue rearview mirrors can reduce the glare of the high beams of vehicles coming from behind and improve nighttime driving safety. Universal, the car clip-on design fits Thanks for watching and subscribe.